Okay, here we go. Here we go. Today, I'm gonna continue writing game library. And plan for today is to clean everything up I have already, and publish it on GitHub. Right, so now it's a modified version. It's like Gemini has replaced the matrix with surface. But I don't really like the implementation, so I have to think on it. But that's not a problem for now, right? Now I just want to go through everything once, read everything, tweak a little bit, and publish it. Yeah, so let's set the version 2.1. Name, fingerprint, okay, good. I don't actually know what passes does. This field is optional, each dependency must either be a real hash. Oh, so SRC, we got everything in SRC, so it works. Okay, great. Here, we got just some experts. Graphics. Actually, you know what? I would like to rename it to color. Move. Color. Can I do it that way? Oh. I can't. Neobeam, find and replace. Yeah, S, what we want to replace, to what we want it to replace, and G for global, right? Color. That's how it works. Pattern not found, color, wait, what? Where's Valda? Have you seen Valda? There your Valda. Yeah, that's like exactly what oh. Percent first. Percent as color, yep. It's this. Also I have to make escape. G. Huh, interesting. Okay. I just run make. Okay, it builds, why so? That's kind of weird. I have to rename graphics. Oh, it's renamed already. Color. Why is it not yellow? Color ZIG. Oh, now it's yellow. Make. I don't get errors. ZIG graphics file not found. Yes, that makes sense. But can you show me it here? I assume ZLS should show me that. Make. Okay. Okay, this is weird. Anyway, actually, do I have something here? Search. LSP symbols, LSP workspace. Term size. That's not what I want. Can I search through all the projects? Auto commands, buffer lines, grep, open buffers, command history, commands, diagnostics, buffer diagnostics, grep, root dir. Fail to spawn. Oh, I don't have grep, right? Highlights, icon jumps, key maps, location list, marks, man pages, search for plugin specs, quick fix list. Search and replace. G.color. Huh? RG command not found. Okay, RG. Is it like grep or something? RG Linux. Root grep, recursively search in directories. Oh, okay. Rip grep. I don't have it. Okay then. Nix says search. Rip grep. Rip grep all. Also search in PDFs, ebooks. No, I don't need that. And Vim. Nix flake. Let's just place it here. Right click all. Here we go. RG. Nice. Wait, what? Requires at least one pattern to execute, yep. Then now, let's get back here in Vim. C terminal. Search. Grab root dir, grab CVD. Search and replace R. Const G equals import. Damn, it's actually pretty good. Oh, I have to escape it, right? No? What do you mean? No matches. How do I escape parentheses? Should I do it that way? No. Rip grab parentheses. How do I write parentheses? I have no idea. Fix strings. Parentheses escape. Backslash, right? But that's what I do. It depends. If you use regular grep, you don't escape. If you extend it to regular expression, you do escape. But it doesn't work for me. Huh? Search replace files filter flex passes. Ignore case. Huh? Fix strings. What? I think regrep should suggest fixed strings, arguments is reject syntax error. I have no idea what this is gonna do. Okay, import. Why is it? Oh, now it works. Okay, that's weird. Graphics. .zig. Replace const color equals import color.zig. What's next? R? No, wait. How to replace? I got this. /R. Oh, I got div here, interesting. That looks cool. Oh, I can write just right in here, that's so cool. Okay, /R? No. How do I help? G. What exactly is wrong? How do I execute it? R? R? G. Help. Help. Open up help window. R. Perform replace. Note that compared to sync all replace can also handle multiple replacements. Sync all. Sync all. But why there is like /? Like, wait. /. Oh, now it works. Never mind. I was in append mode, I guess. Right, insert. Yep, then. What could all? Terminal. Then what I'm gonna do? 15. Control W, increase. Surface. G, yep. Search replace. G.color. Color. Actually, it's pretty sweet, not gonna lie. It's not that bad. Not as bad as I thought it's gonna be. Come on, can I get... Am I doing something wrong? Wait, G. Okay, after pressing G, some like, in some unexplainable way, now this window is accessible. Please complete it. Use of undefined identifier, what do you mean? Here's color. What do you mean? Quit. Use of undefined identifier. Oh. Make. Where do you see it? Right click all. It's a language server, right? Is there a way to make the default sidebar size to change it? Probably yes. I mean, I guess in NeoVim there is a way to do anything. Root source file struct ezen has no member. Graphics. Color. Yep. Okay, let's check it out. ZIG will run. Yay, it works. It works. Nice. That's pretty fast, actually. Yeah, let's go through everything. We got std, time, ezen, term size. Actually, I want to change term size. I want to put it here. There's just this black magic happening here, which I don't understand. Supports Windows, Linux, macOS. Example. Yeah, I mean, I know how to use it. Oh, right. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna just... What is this test? Term size, std debug print, term size any, term size std aggregate, std out. What is this test? It tests nothing, isn't it? It basically just prints the terminal size. It's kind of weird. Let's remove it. Cut that, go to terminal. Oh, okay, so it's gonna be the part of the terminal. I mean, that's probably okay, I guess. Should not be that bad, right? Physical size. Should I call it terminal emulator size? File, SCDFS file. Get window size. I guess it's gonna be good. File, CDFS file, vector U16. Yeah, I have it here. Nice. Use of undeclared identifier built-in. STD. Yes. Term. Yep, and I want to remove this because that's my stuff. Make it separate. Oh, this is my stuff too. Import built-in. Yes, yeah. Right. Okay. Okay, good. Let's get here. Term ezen. Term. I don't need it anymore. And I can delete this. Can I? Yeah, I guess I can. Yes. Game of life. Yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't have to. Try. Terminal. Dot. Get window size. Let's build it. Okay, nice, works. Oops, what have I done? I moved it. Where? Did I close it? Probably. Yeah, but it works. Nice, 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 nice. Then, okay. Canvas terminal color. Canvas. I don't really need canvas, but okay, let's leave it for now. Survival rule, born rule, game of life, import cell auto, cellular automaton, survival born rule. Okay, I mean, okay. Not like terribly bad, but could be better. Actually, you know what? Like, what's the problem to do it that way? Same here. Is there a way to wrap everything on a new line, like instantly? How can I convert? How can I place each field, each element on a new line quickly using neowim ZIG of array. Let's see. G. Will it be search and replace, seriously? Yeah, it's gonna be search and replace. Run substitute command. With your cursor on a line, type enters command line mode. S is a substitute command. Wait, it's not what I thought it is. Substitute command. What does substitute even mean? A person? No. Verb. Use or add in place of. Okay, that's interesting. Replace. Okay, but what's the difference between like %s and just s then? Is a separator? Is a pattern to find? Is a separator? Is a replacement? A comma followed by a carriage return a new line. Why not n? Why does it r? That's kinda... Okay, let's find out. R versus... Actually, I can just ask Gemini what's the problem. What is the difference? What is them? What is the differ? Okay, let's go. Actually, I want to scale it for stream. 150. The difference between s and %s, the range. The key difference is the range over which the command operates. In Vim, commands can be prefixed with a range to tell them which line to act on. Substitute on the current line. When you type s without range prefix, it defaults to operating on the current line only. Okay, I see, so that's a modifier of a command. Command, action finds alt new, yeah. Margin answer, yeah. The symbol is a shorthand for the range. Oh, from 1 to $, which means from line 1 to the last line. Okay, in other words, the entire file. Okay. Command. Action finds. Other command ranges. Current line, the last line on the file. This is default for, okay, just line 10. From line 5 to 10. Okay, that's so good. Not gonna lie, that's so good. The visually selected lines. This one is also really good. This range appears automatically when you visually select text and type, and then type. Okay. Conclusion: you can use I forgot the name. Never mind. To change something on the current line, you see %s to change something everywhere in the file. Okay. Why \r for a new line instead of \n? This is a classic Wimism that rips up so many users. The meaning of \r and \n changes depending on whether you're using them in the search part of the substitute command or the replacement part. The replacement field. Carriage return is a Vim special code for insert a line break or new line. This is the one you almost always want when you intended to split a line. New line is interpreted as a literally null byte. This is almost never what you want and can corrupt some files. It doesn't create a new line of text. What? That's so weird. To change into you must error. If you used, you would get foo bar on a single line, which is incorrect. Wow. Let's do it from here. It's really convenient. Oh, actually, it's gonna do it in all file, right? Okay, let's do it in Vim way. Wait, what was the original command? Using macro, intuitive and repetitive. Wait. Fastest and most recommended. To go to the beginning of line, press QA. Type. Okay, the CGN trick, advanced and very fast. This is less known but incredibly efficient method for repeated edits. Search for the pattern you want to change in normal mode. Type slash, comma, space, enter. This highlights the first. Comma, space, enter. Wow. Change the first match and repeat, and prepare to repeat. Type CGN. What? Actually, that's kinda weird. G. Okay, I forgot about G. S, comma, space. Wait, was it? Oh, wait, I'm using the wrong thing. R. Global. Is G for global? Doesn't seem that way. Okay. Wait. I'm totally confused. Is it regular slash? Wait, but that way it works as I want it to. R. R. G. No, it doesn't work. Why is it here then? R. It's the same command, right? No, it's not. My bad. Okay, now it works for the full line. Oh, I lost my F's for some reason. Wait, why? Okay, let's learn Milligan together. S for substitute. Then we are going right space. Replace it with caret, or how's it called? Carriage return. What is carriage? Any of the separate sections of a terrain that carry. Okay, I see. G. Why? Where is, like, what's wrong with F's? Why I lost my F? S, comma, space. Yep. R. G. Wait, G. Why do I lose some F's? Like it goes false, true, false. Wait, false, true, false, and then I lost 3 falses. Huh? It's so weird. Okay, I lost more than. Oh, now there. Okay, so there's a visual bug. That's so weird. Undo. Okay, let's do one again. S, comma, space, carriage, but it's gonna be comma. G. Now it should work. Please. Yay, it works. Okay, you got that. Game of Life, main, general purpose allocator, the init allocator, terminal dimensions, try terminal get window size, std get IO, or else unreachable. Yeah, good. From frame time. U64, 100. Okay, each cell with, yeah, 2 characters. So we divide by 2. Var canvas, try canvas init allocator term dimensions. Defer canvas the init. STD outrider equals STD. You get STD outrider. The init. Game, try game of life init. Okay. Set some cells. Draw to clear the screen. Yeah, actually I have to fix this bug. It's like not how it should work. Also I don't need those comments. As here. Okay, this one is good. Let it be here. Well, sure, start time. Yep. Canvas inner clear. Yep. Go through every cell. If live. Canvas inner set. I don't like this inner. I hate it, to be honest. Anyway, reverse index. Color white. Use the drawing method on the inner surface. Yep. Pass the inner surface to the terminal for drawing. Try terminal draw canvas inner. Yep. Game next generation. Frame. Yep. Elapsed. Sleep. Okay. Good. Solata. Survival rule, born rule. Yep, return struct. Cells next. Dimensions. Yep. Survive, born. Is there any reason to store them? Like, really? Is there any reason to store them? On the side, why not, right? It's easy to access, so if I have game of life logic, I can recapture the rules, but will I ever use it? I'm not sure. Anyway, init allocator dimensions. Yep, we're getting the capacity. Cells, try CD array list, init capacity. Yep, cells append n times. Yep, cells next, try CD array init capacity, append n times. Okay. As far as I know, there is an easier way to do that, but okay. Return cell dimensions, cells next, index with height, wrapped x, wrapped y. Yep, good. Reversed index. We use side. Yep. Modular divide. Yeah, good. Next generation. Going through each cell. Getting the index, the position. Alive neighbors. Creating counter. Neighbor shifts, yep. Going through every shift. Neighbor x, y. Pause. If alive neighbor +1. Nice. Yeah, and then checking we have to relive it on the next step. Self cells replace. This is from zeros to the len. Self cells next items. So we are writing from the next to the current. Then what we're doing? So next, clear retaining capacity. Wait, how does it work? Invalidates all element pointers. That's not what I want, right? I want to clean them. Or is it? Will it reallocate it? Let's just check the code. Items line equals no, it's okay. It's good. So the underlying array is still there. Try cells next, append n times. Okay, good. There is append n times, assume capacity. Append a value to the list n times never invalidates element pointer. The function is inline so that the comptime non-value parameter will have a more optimal memset codegen in case it has a repeated byte pattern. Assert that the list can hold the additional times. Okay, whatever. Self dot cells dot capacity. I guess that's how it works. Wait, no, it's not. Found. Okay, never mind. Let's go to the first try. Expected error union type found void. Okay. Color. Color should be good. Yep. I don't like this one. Is there a way to write it cleaner? Is there a way to write following ZIG code cleaner? Original line, corrected line. Wait, what? R, G. They're identical, aren't they? Wait, am I tripping? Yeah, I am tripping. This was an error. Oh, here, yep, okay. The logical asymmetry. The logic of your function is a bit unusual for an equality check. Non-null, non-null. Compares fields, correct. Non-null, null, false. Seems reasonable. Null, non-null, true. Wait, what? Null, null. Surprise. No, it's okay. They have to be null. If it's null and null, they should be equal. Typically, an equal function is symmetric. Should be. Yeah, it should be. If self has a value, check other. Check other, return, else return false, else return other null. The ultimate ZIG way using std mem equal. Oh, seriously? Oh. If self equals other, return true. Pointers are the same, or both are null. I don't need pointers, I don't need pointers. Why is he using pointers? Wait, am I using pointers? No, I don't. Optional pointers should follow these rules. Check for optional pointers. The nulls are equal. Okay, so will it work without pointers? One is null, but not both. They are not equal. Yep. CD. Mem equal const. Is there like an alias for CD? Oh yes, that was CD. Operate not allowed for type color. Cleaning up your original logic. What if I don't? I want to. If I don't want to pass values by pointers. Excellent question. When you're not using pointers, the situation changes significantly, and ZIG offers even cleaner solutions. So why have you introduced pointers? Cleanest and most idiomatic solution, the operator. No, it's not how it works. No, it's not how it works. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's not how it works? Obviously it's not. Meta equal. Std meta equal compares two of any type for equality containers that do not support comparison on their own. Oh, containers that do not support comparison on their own are compared on a field by field basis. Pointers are not. Not what? Anyway, equal self other. Operator not allowed. Wait, what do you mean? There's no operator. Okay, good. Let's check this function actually. Pointers are not followed. Okay. Then it's actually interesting. A, any type. B, type of A. Reasonable. Reasonable. T, type of A. Okay. Switch, type info T. Struct. If it's struct. Damn, it's so good. Info. If info layout equals spec, return A equals B. Oh, good. Good. Inline 4. Huh? What does inline actually? Like, I understand that it inlines, but why can't compiler just inlines by itself? Is there like any trade-off? ZIG. Inline switch fronts, inline while, inline 4. Inline 4, for loops can be inlined. This causes the loop to be unrolled. Yep. Which allows the code to do some things which only work at compile time, such as use types as first class values. Wait, this causes the loop to be unrolled, which allows the code to do some things which only work at compile time, such as use types as first class values. The capture value, iterator value of inline for loop, a compile time known. I don't get it. So, is it like needed? I cannot do it without inlining. My compiler can just detect that it has to be inline and inline it. For loops can be inlined. This causes the loop to be unrolled. Yep. Which allows the code to do some things which only work at compile time. Okay. Such as use types as first class values. The capture value and iterator value of inlined for loops are compile time known. Okay. Inline for info fields, field info. If not equal. Okay, it's the same function. Field. A field info name. Field B field info name, return false. Okay, makes sense. Return true. Okay, good. So we're just going through every field and comparing them with the same function. Damn, I love how readable it is. I'm gonna like I've been trying to read some Rust code, right? Rust source code, and it's just like impossible. It's just basically only macros. Like, is there a word like macros? Macros, plural. The plural of macro is macros. It's macros. Okay, okay, so it's macros. So it's macro. Wow. Okay. Okay. My world has flipped. Anyway, macros. And in ZIG it's just a readable code. It's so good. Error union. If A, AP, if B, BP, return equal AP, BP, else return false. Okay, makes sense. I guess they like just unwrap it. Else, yeah, okay, I guess it makes sense. Union. Actually have no idea. Union tag. Union. What is union? A bare union defines a set of possible types that a value can be as list of fields. So it's basically... Okay. Okay, that's good. So it can be either of these three types, right? Payload int, payload float. Wait, it doesn't make sense anymore. No. So you can change it after you assign it? Oh, there is an error. Okay, never mind. Defines a set of possible types that a value can be as a list of fields. Only one field can be active at a time. The in-memory representation of bare unions is not guaranteed. Bare unions can be used to reinterpret memory. For that, use pointer cast or use extern union or packed union, which have guaranteed in-memory layout. Accessing the non-active field is safety checked illegal behavior. Accessing the non-active is safety checked. Yeah, nice, good. I like it. You can activate another field by assigning the entire union. Okay, that's what I thought it is. That's actually so sweet. Payload int equals try expect payload. Yep, payload equals new payload float. Yeah, that's so good. Tagged union. Unions can be declared with an enum tag type. This turns the union into a tagged union, which makes it illegal to use with switch expressions. Tagged unions coerce to their tag type. Okay, that's actually so sweet for tokenizer. I've been writing tokenizer in Go and it's just something I liked. Complex type tag, enum, okay, not okay. Union, complex type tag, okay. U8, not okay, void. I don't quite see it actually. I still don't quite see it. Switch on text union. Conceive complex type, okay, equals 42. Try expect as complex type equals type tag, okay, switch C, okay, value try expect value equals, okay, not okay, unreachable. Okay, maybe I guess I kinda see it. In order to modify the payload of a tagged union in a switch expression, place a asterisk before the variable name to make it a pointer. Good. Unions can be made for infer the enum tag type. Fuse unions can have methods just like structs and enums. Variant union enum. Okay, so there is no pre-declared enum, it's just basically here. Int boolean. Void can be omitted when inferring enum tag type. None. True C. Self variant bool. Return switch self. Variant int. Not equal 0. Boolean. Okay, good. False. Okay, interesting. Tag name can be used to return a comp time value representing the field name. External union. External union has memory layout guaranteed to be compatible with this target CABI. Oh, opaque. Also was curious about this one. Declares a new type within an unknown but non-zero size and alignment. It can contain declarations the same as structs, unions, and enums. This is typically used for type safety when interacting with C code that doesn't expose struct details. Example: derp opaque, what opaque, extern function bar, dderp void, function foo what, call con void bar v. I do not understand that, but okay. Okay. If it's union, union tag. If info tag type union tag, I cannot compare it untagged union type. Okay, yes, that makes sense. That way now I just do not understand the reason of regular unions, right? So tagged unions make so many sense because like you have control of the value, like understand what exactly is that value. But with regular unions, what's the point then? It's kind of weird. Const tag A union tag equals A, tag B equals B. Where do we get that? Oh wait. If tag A dot equals tag B returns false, return switch. Inline else. Return equal val tag name. Wait, what? Inline else? It's so weird. Why couldn't they just return value tag? Return equal value field B tag name tag. Okay, I guess I kinda. But couldn't they just make? What's the point? You could just like make field here too. Value tag name. Wow, it's so. Okay, I do not quite understand this one. Array. Going through the array and comparing. Okay, vector. I guess pretty much the same thing. Pretty close. Pointer. Return switch. Info size 1. Many. C. A equals B. Slice. A pointer equals B pointer and A line equals B line. Wow, that's good. That's actually good. I don't quite understand what does 1 and many mean. Optional. Okay, let's get back. Write and run it. Works, nice. Terminal. Damn, it's so hot. I know it's just physically hard to see it straight, you know. Yep. Init. I have to move it to constant. Array capacity. Return self. Dimensions, writer, per surface, buffer. Okay. The init, yep. Draw. So buffer, clear, retaining capacity. Okay, yeah. Wait, what? Buffer? Wait, what? Why not? Why not at the end? I guess there's might be a reason for that. Current pixels, ref pixels, dims, interchange shortening for dimensions. Current pixels, if not equal, y, x, buffer writer. Okay, it's pretty much the same code I have written. Copy current frame to previous surface for next frame's diff. Copy forward surface size, current pixel. Okay. Get Windows size. Yeah, this one is just copied. Easy engine surface. Okay, this one is interesting. Okay, let's do vector and then go to surface. Vector, yep, that's what I've written. Yeah, good, looks good to me. Surface. Storage strategy for dynamically sized surface owns memory via array list. Yep, dynamic storage. This is basically dimensions allocator. Wait, why is it dimensions here? Is it how you want it to be? I can tell. Allocator pixels. Init capacity pixels, init capacity. The init appendant times dynamic storage. Yep. The init dimension slice const. Static storage, basically just two-dimensional array. Dimension slice const. Okay. It's kind of weird though. Why can't I just... Why is it stored as two-dimensional array if I never use it as two-dimensional array? That's the question. I don't quite understand it. But it's not bad actually. Generic drawing surface parameterizing, yeah, base storage strategy. Slice type of yep, return storage, self, dimensions, self-storage dimensions. Index. Const dimensions, self dimensions, return s plus x plus what? Oh, plus y multiplied by dimensions x, yeah, plus x makes sense. Set const dimension self, okay, self position value, yep. If they're in bounds, self storage slice, self index pose equals file, okay, not bad. Get, okay, position optional type, dimensions if out of bounds null, else return, okay, clear. Just set everything to value. Draw rect. Okay, this is the logic I have written. Concrete types, canvas. Canvas is a simple wraparound surface with dynamic storage to provide a clean init API. I don't like this one. Like, I don't like that I have to wrap them once again, you know? Like, I saw the creation of this interface, right, where I have dynamic storage and static storage was, like, made so I can avoid this, but it seems like it's not the case. But okay, I mean, it works. Okay, then. Is it really low level? I mean, probably. Like, what does low... I mean, I guess low level is so generic, it doesn't even make sense here. That's simple. Game library in ZIG, I mean... Okay, that's simple game library in ZIG. Game library is just good enough. Probably I could, no, create repository. Let's do git init, right? Clear. Git init. Git add all. Do I have ZIG out? Yeah, that's my bad actually. That's actually my bad. nvim.git ignore. ZIG out at all clear git commit init ZIG cache, okay, my bad. Here nvim.git ignore ZIG cache at all git commit comment no edit. I still got cache. Why so? wait. Vim.getIgnore. That could all. Do I write it correctly? C-A-C-H-E. Okay, I have to write origin. It's pushing ZIG cache. I'm pretty sure about that. Compressing objects. Where could it find 300 objects? Let's be real. ram/ref.zig cache. Zig out. Git add all. Git commit amend no edit. Git push your origin main. Nice. Okay, good enough now. Good enough now. And I guess that's all for today.